Hello. Microsoft Excel. Comparing two lists. List 1 and List 2. Finding similar and different cells. Method 1. Select both lists. Conditional Formatting. Highlight cells rules. Duplicate values. Duplicate. Highlight the same cells in both lists. This method is quick and easy, but only suitable for small lists or those with few similar cells. You can highlight the same or different cells, depending on your preference. If the two lists belong to two different sheets, I recommend using another method. Method 2. Using the VLOOKUP function. List 1 and List 2 belong to different sheets. I search to see if the cells in List 2 exist in List 1. VLOOKUP. A8. List 1. Fix the list. One. 0. This cell exists in List 1. Apply to the remaining cells in List 2. Cells not found. I noticed that the fruits were not found in List 1. I replaced it with the following text. Copy. Paste. Value. Replace with. Missing in List 1. Replace all. There are 5 fruits that do not appear in List 1. Next, with Method 3. Using the IF and COUNTIF functions. If COUNTIF List 1. Fix the list. Count the number of coconuts in List 1. If not found, the message appears. Missing in List 1. Otherwise, if found, the message appears. Matched. This method allows you to customize the content of the results. Apply to the remaining cells. These are 3 methods for comparing two lists in Microsoft Excel. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Good luck. Next, I apply it to List 1. Search for fruits that are only in List 1 but not in List 2. Using the VLOOKUP function. One. 0. Apply to the remaining cells. Change the content of the cells where no results are found. Missing in List 2. Using the function IF and COUNTIF function, counts the number of cells that match the conditional cell. If the result is 0, no cells are found. If the result is greater than 0, cells are found.